Push F to pick up the pack, obviously.
Donkey.
Oh, there's a free extra pack. We can use that for the next race.
Yep. Go with them, pack. I got these two.
Do you get fatigued if you swim?
No.
Just don't swim as fast as you plod along.
Man phone connected.
That correct? Yeah.
Man phone joined.
What's up, He-Man?
Just started the race.
And no commentary? What the hell?
It's... You got the Twitch up, right?
Looks like Fowl's out ahead, up on the cliff.
Yep. Well, so far, Erica, I can tell you, Lily dances like a drunk white.
Drunk what?
White girl.
But did he really complaints?
White.
Had to do something to pass the time.
We found out Thistle really likes Lily's underwear.
That was kind of hot.
Yeah.
No, but it had to be 0.
Alright, we got Brogo approaching the water here.
Everybody else is taking the high road. Val's is out front.
So how's Fowls cheating on this one?
Do a shortcut through the mountain right there above He-Man rather than over it. I didn't know you could even get through it.
First he tried to keep all his armor on his donkey. Caught him on that one.
Now we got our first swimmers.
I remember my first swimmers. Scared the hell out of me. This tornado thing, like, get that.
So how many racers are there?
We got 7 contestants.
There's 7.
7.
What's top prize?
3 workman's comps.
Nice.
Well, I got 10, so I went 3, 2, 1.
And I think I'm gonna hire Gathuga to head hunt later tonight.
Nice.
Yeah.
You tell them that they're buying?
No, I'm going to though. Knowing Gathuga, he was probably willing without one though. Told him he'd have a free pass to purple on our people.
Ariana's coming down the Edith Spare.
Yep. Oh, she's trying Doculus. Swimming in her underpants.
Whoops, he fall off his donkey?
He's getting on it.
So Fowls and probably Thistle right now. Followed closely by Millie and Lily.
Looks like Aria's going for the shortest distance between 2 lines, 2 points.
Where are you guys going from?
Your house
Your
to
house to
Esna.
Gonna be a long walk. Trot.
Alright, we got Elite following in the water. Brogo heading back towards the coast, it looks like.
Despair, are you streaming?
Sure am.
Alright, I'm gonna jump on there and hop on there when I get back to work.
Uh-oh, Melly's getting attacked by a crab.
By a crab.
Oh, Millie.
Crab. Oh, and she lost her donkey.
Fortunately, there's a thing up the hill right there handy, but
He-Man phone left.
Thistle, then Lily. Melly is slowly going her way up towards the stable hand. Oh, who do we got up here? Val still.
shouting at pals.
You can't be shouting until you get up there. Come on.
He got shot down anyway.
That's the problem I was thinking was, is it going to come across as people are going to say, well, what's the point? We're not going to get any money from it.
Just got that. You can't even turn it in then.
Yep, even if it comes down to that, then we're going to do it traditional race style, whoever got there first.
What do you mean if they're not going to get any money from it?
The server's turned off tomorrow.
Uh-oh. Bowser's under attack by a crab. Oh, that's not right.
That was a complete cheat.
That was DQ.
Spell's out?
Yep, Bowser's out. He healed his donkey.
Did.
Is he allowed to?
No. No skills outside of dash.
I underestimated the power of the land donkey.
Hey, pals, no purple on donkeys either.
So if Fels wins, does that mean he's disqualified?
Yep, Tack called him disqualified.
So right now it's Thistle and Lily. Where are the other two at?
We got two in the bay.
Wait, that might be worse. Let's go to...
Hey, keep up with these guys. I'm gonna go back. You got Melly?
Just follow you,
Yeah.
that's all.
Oh, you are? Well, I'm trying to think what the heck's over the hill there. I know beyond this thing there's ogres, but over the hill there's snakes and spiders and ants.
Let's see if you get over the hill.
We can't defend ourselves?
Nope.
And hit them with your...
wow.
Well,
kick them with your
let me
foot or
rephrase
spit
that.
at them.
You can't defend
Your
your
donkey dies. Right. If your donkey dies, you can defend yourself, but not your donkey. Make sense?
So then we don't have any weapons on anyway, so we can do is bash at them.
Still kick and hit, I think, can't you?
I don't even have them on my hind bar.
No,
I think I've got
if you're
kick
about
up
to
there.
die,
I don't
you can
have
use your
room.
skills to protect yourself.
I don't have room for kick on my hot bar. Oh shit, I'm gonna go in the water. Rock. Run, baby, run.
I should have veered off the other way like I was going to. Never mind.
Melly, with a dead donkey, you are allowed to use your dash to find the stable guy. That was the one exception.
Uh-oh. Alice just went into the water.
Oh, I can get off my donkey?
Yeah, with a dead donkey, you can get off and dash to find the stable guy.
Thistle and Lily are deciding to hug the coast. Alright, I know the feeling there.
Stupid lizard wanted to kill my yada.
So now we have 3 people in the water, include Fowls. So Fowls is running just to run now.
Yeah, Fowls is going for bragging, right? Or cheaters bragging rights. I don't know.
We got Thistle and Lily going down the sand right now.
I always wondered if this was going to be a shorter route. We're going to find out.
What's Orgo? Ogo, what's you doing up here, buddy?
We're not even concerned about Brogo anymore. He's trying to disqualify himself back there. He's just excited because I told him after the merge we're going to start figuring out some fishing tournaments.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
Yeah.
Who's that behind me? Is that you, Despair?
I'm on the Dolphin.
Okay.
Elite's coming up behind you, though.
I'd be the one. I got Thistle.
Elite.
Where'd Lily go? Oh man, both of you guys are going in opposite directions.
Yeah, I guess everyone's following us. But I'll just try to get there any way I can. Probably come to a dead end or something.
No potions, right?
No potions, no skills outside of dash.
Oh man. Means I can't go stealth either.
Nope.
Fowls, you're ridiculous, dude.
I think I made a bad team.
I just love how the mini-map looks like somebody dropped a bag of Skittles.
Yeah, there's blue dots everywhere.
Tiddlywinks.
I don't know where you are, Ogob. I've turned up and I probably shouldn't have, but it's alright, I'll get there eventually.
Mind you, with me being in the water, Lily, I'll be the last, so don't think that you're going to be the last one.
No, get away from me, get away!
Uh-oh.
No.
What happened?
Oh, Lily lost her pack. Her donkey.
How'd you do that?
no.
What happened?
So I went the wrong way, and then something attacked.
You are
Kind of
allowed to
an-
dash now, Lily.
It won't let me.
You're
Yeah,
allowed
you gotta
to
get out
pick
of
yourself
combat,
as well.
dude.
Pick up your donkey and dash.
I think I picked it up, or I hope I did.
You are allowed to defend yourself there, Lil.
Yeah, it's
Melly's lucky that guy was orange. It's not red.
That elite guy probably would have went after me if Despair wasn't hovering around me on the Dolphin. Thank you, Despair.
So right now we got Thistle about to cross the river in Marianople, followed
What's his
slightly
name?
behind or by
Oh no, I've got
Brogo.
some big boss thing on me now.
Big boss.
Little
thing.
bit's about to die, it sounds like.
Not if I can help it.
Melly must be showing me one of her shortcuts she was yelling at me about yesterday.
I have no idea where I'm going.
To the mark.
Thistle's using the same route I used.
I have no idea what you used.
I won't be using this route again, I'll tell you that right now.
This is the tack-around route.
Yeah, this is the route that's the route I took. It didn't work so hot.
What, this route?
Yeah, the water route.
Yeah, it's not working out.
Yeah, it's not
Whoa,
working out
sharks. Let's think about this. Let's this. Where are them sharks at anyway?
Val's like, well, maybe if everybody gets disqualified, I'll win. Because I'm the first disqualified.
Looks like Thistle's in the front.
Yep,
and
Thistle's in
Ogre
front.
second. Tackeran, you're not. Okay, Melly and them.
How
I'm
did
heading to
Brogo
a
get
stable hand.
second?
Uh,
Don't forget you can dash to the stable hand.
Melly took
I
a
did
bad
before, I
turn.
ran out of mana.
Or Lily took a bad turn.
Yeah,
Damn, Fels, what are you doing all the way up there?
should have stuck to the coast.
Well, I was going to go further out, go straight across, but that elite guy was out there, so.
Well, I'm in the same guild. I'm not.
A carrot, huh?
I'm right next to you doing the same thing. Just
Yeah,
because
Elite's in the race.
don't mean I'm gonna come up and club your kneecaps.
Oh.
Looks like Elite's going straight for the point.
Hi. Leave my
No, I'm just
kneecaps
saying,
alone.
don't club hers, don't club her donkeys. It's
Oh,
only cheating if you club her donkeys.
oh no, no, that don't work. It's not.
What do you mean, club?
Crack them, break them.
Oh, I
Oh,
love
yeah.
you too.
Hey, I'm just helping you.
Helping me? I don't think so.
Yeah. I said don't hit your donkey.
I'm not
Nope.
on my donkey.
Thistle's about to hit the Dusty Hill Beach.
The Elite's still swimming with his ass hanging out. It's hard to say which one's in the lead here. Aries heading straight south. The Elite's heading towards the Two Crowns Point, the housing district.
Sorry, I almost accidentally sabotaged Melly. I wanted to cut down a tree. I was like, oh wait, I can't do that because she'll be out.
What am I doing in war water?
That's the bay.
Where'd Brogo at?
He's right behind Thistle.
I know, I'm waiting for him to hit beach. Oh, there he is.
What level is Two Crowns?
25-ish, 30-ish.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to like a level 50 where the aggro is going to be completely different for the higher levels.
Those things there will definitely kill your donkey.
Very quickly.
Somebody's way ahead of me.
Brogo just made land in Two Crowns. Thistle's way up front, about to hit the road.
Melly could be coming up in third here. Depending on how much these sharks like donkey.
Yeah, be careful of them sharks. I didn't know. I forgot they were even there. I almost walked right into them. Side of the rocks.
You got quiet, Lil.
Yeah, I'm doing okay. just retrieved my donkey and...
Fortunately, Lil's still all the way back in Dewstone.
Yeah, I'm not expecting to win.
Me either.
You seriously expected Fouls to cooperate and do teamwork?
No.
Everybody's laughing on that one.
I'm so glad Fouls didn't transfer. I would have been so sad.
Me too. Fouls is the bomb.
It's like pure entertainment.
Alright, Aria's taking a risk here. She's gonna be able to get up that cliff. Hey, she got an achievement.
You gotta be kidding me.
What, for going up the cliff?
For going on this little island.
Oh,
Alright.
Thistle's just passing the Nuya right next to the arena.
Aria's going back to the water.
Brogo's taking another way. He's going straight for the road, the main road going into Esna.
Aria's got a choice. Left or right.
Isn't that the choice of the world? What
my
direction to
goodness.
take?
Just gonna go straight for the cliffs. Looks like Elite's almost to land at the Two Crowns housing point.
Don't feel bad, Lily. I'm gonna be with you.
That's alright, I'll just mosey along.
Brogo's about to hit the tree path, tree road. They're both about passing the arena around the same times. Be a close race.
I wonder if I can get up that.
Uh-oh, Thistle's got a decision. I want to go see what it is.
Alright, Elite's ass is back on the land.
Yeah.
He's beating me.
I gotta brave the housing district.
Yeah, it's crazy how this one didn't get so far down. Just on land?
mostly.
They only took a short trip over the river.
Just go around the arena. Brogo's coming down the tree path now, about to a little bit closer to the bridge, almost there.
So the raid's going, we got Thistle, then Brogo, then Melly.
Yeah, I took a wrong turn. I should have went the other way. Oh well.
It's gonna be close between Melly and Elite here. It's coming down from a different angle.
Well, you gotta give Melly credit, she got her donkey killed before anybody.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter. It's all who gets there first.
Oh, no, I know. I'm just
It's
saying, that's that
who
part.
gets their pack turned in by someone else first.
Yeah, this is true. Can go either way.
Try to put in that this is a Silver Wolf race and we're just trying to get someone to turn packs in so we can get rewards or something like that. I would just say, maybe someone will
Running in
help.
front of me and
Oh, and you can't call out until you put your pack down.
been pushed out of the way a couple times.
Oh, what?
I have not hit you yet.
Yeah.
Well, I know not
She's
to
just
take
getting her
this turn.
excuses in early.
You made landfall, Larry?
Not yet. Almost. I don't know if I can get
Uh-oh.
up this or not.
Thistle and Brogo are damn near neck and neck.
I made landfall.
Thistle's going underneath the bridge. Brogo's about to across that camp right next to the bridge.
Fouls is even cheating after he's disqualified, huh?
Yeah. You gotta admire that tenacity.
That's fouls.
Alright, Elite's passing the Moonswept home district.
A donkey died again.
What happened this time?
Someone whispered me, and then I was replying, and so I didn't see the thing until it was too late.
Uh-oh, Thistle's about to crossing the bridge to the dried lake bed. Or riverbed.
Just pulled ahead of Brogo.
Oh, okay, I got people watching me.
Thistle. Brogo's not far behind.
I figured.
He's just crossing the bridge now. Race isn't over until you guys get your packs turned in.
Yeah, I know.
Well, I know not to take that route no more.
Me both. But it's been fun anyway.
Yes, it has.
What's the rules on when we shout?
You can't shout until you put down the pack on the ground.
Not heading to the port to see.
Thistle's coming down the stairs now, heading towards the gold trader. Bogo not far behind.
Melly's going through the research camp, and then we got Defaced coming up on the arena.
Gotta shout that out. Flash SH.
Oh.
Is there anybody there to turn in packs right now?
You got the jihadist from Goon Squad here.
No, it's gonna go down in no time.
Ah, that's my friend.
Oh, he was waiting for you, huh?
No, I don't know. That's the guy I said earlier from Goon Squad, and he said his people were gonna take care of the red guy or whatever.
Did you get a set down, Brogo?
Where'd my donkey go? Oh, I do.
Uh-oh. The jihadist is here. Which one is he gonna pick up?
I think I'm last.
No, I think I am. I've still got to repair my donkey. I'll work out which one to go to.
Brogo's on his knees.
Alright.
He's getting suspicious.
Oh, Melly's in the harbor.
Just tell him you need it turned in. You can't tell him it's a race.
Yeah, you just say Silverwolf's just doing a race.
Oh, Jihad.
Well, that's what you can always offer, free dances.
Is the place inside the castle or is it outside?
It's
in the
right where
harbor.
the is on the map, buddy.
Oh, Melly's here.
Alright, drop your pack, Melly, and shout it out.
Uh-oh, bribery's starting. Oh, he's picking up Millie's.
Uh-oh, Millie's gotta get it. Doesn't know where it is.
Really?
Not that one. Oh, he's putting it back down. Oh, it's going for thistles. Is the bribery gonna work?
Uh-oh.
He's got Brogos.
You got Brogos.
Friendship counts.
Oh, my game just crashed.
Is he gonna drop it in the ocean?
I don't
I was thinking.
I will dance for you, Melly. Oh, Melly.
Whose pack was whose, guys?
Mine's still got my name on it. No, I can sit. No.
What they all say?
Mine's standing here. Mine's the basket one right here. I think I just picked up mine.
This is just getting weird now.
You turn any of them in yet?
Nope.
Nope.
Oh, man.
Oh, she took mine.
Where's it? Oh, there's everyone.
All right, now, technically, first is Thistle, second is
Brogo.
and third is Melly.
How do I put my pack down?
Basic commands under you press A, go to basic, and then you'll see drop trade pack.
Thistle got first. She turned hers in.
Wait, how do you
Thistle
do
got
it?
first.
How do you do it?
Go press K on your keyboard.
Okay. And basic?
Go to basic, and then you'll see drop
now
trade
it's a
pack.
race to see who gets second, right?
Yeah, second and third.
You mean I still got a chance?
Yeah.
Elite's yelling, "Get my pack, bro!"
My jeans on. My top.
So who won?
I did.
Oh, awesome.
We got second place yet?
Nope.
No, not yet.
Still watching.
I'm about to load back in. There we go. Did you have to bribe that guy?
Giannis is taking control of Delete up.
My donkey just.
Who'd she pick?
He
He
picked me.
took control of
That's
Delete.
awesome.
Yeah, because I met that dude earlier and I was being nice to him. I was like, hey man, what's up?
Okay.
Alright, my pack's in.
Alright,
Put it in.
Jaface got second.
Okay,
You mean-
now
Yeah.
now who's going to be third? Still there. Yep.
Oh, horrible.
And Valley got third.
Oh, man.
Who got third?
Valley.
Oh.
I knew that'll labor.
Okay, do we keep these
Oh,
packs?
Jihada says no more labor.
Alright, so I can put my gear back on now?
Yep.